Hey y'all, I wanna give you a quick tip for any recipes that call for lemon zest and lemon juice, just a way to really utilize the whole lemon. When I zest a lemon, I like to start at the top and go all the way down. So what I'm doing here, I'm almost playing it kind of like a violin, is how someone explained it to me at one point. You're gonna go all the way around. These teeth should be pulling against the lemon. You don't wanna push down on them, you'll just dull them in your microplane or your, whatever the real name for this is. Somebody tell me in the comments. So now you've got this right here. And the lemon, if you can see, removed almost all the lemon, top to bottom. This is one of the first things I show people when they start in my kitchen, is how particular I am about how you zest a lemon. Now, put this here. It stays, maybe not. We'll put it in a second. Cut your lemon in half. Now, don't fight with the lemon. Just squeeze it right through this zester. It's gonna catch your lemon seeds. You don't have to worry about the lemon seeds going into the juice and digging them out. So now you have all of the zest of the lemon and all of the juice ready for a recipe. Just kidding. Bye, y'all.